What if the biggest investment you'll ever make isn't in the stock market, real estate, or a business, but in the financial knowledge that shapes every decision you make? Every day, millions of people work hard, earn an income, and dream of a better financial future. Yet many remain trapped in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, overwhelmed by debt, rising expenses, and uncertainty. Not because they lack ambition, but because no one taught them the principles of building lasting wealth. That's where Wealth Forge begins. Here, we believe wealth isn't built by luck, shortcuts, or overnight success. It's built through knowledge, discipline, smart decisions, and consistent action over time. Our mission is simple: to help you understand money, grow your income, build valuable assets, create successful businesses, invest wisely, and move steadily toward financial freedom. Whether you're taking your first steps into personal finance, learning about investing, exploring entrepreneurship, developing high-income skills, discovering AI-powered side hustles, or online business, every video is designed to give you practical lessons you can apply in the real world. Every week, we publish high-quality videos covering financial literacy, wealth creation, personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, AI side hustles, online business, money psychology, and proven wealth-building strategies, giving you the knowledge and confidence to make smarter financial decisions at every stage of your journey. You'll find clear explanations, powerful business case studies, timeless wealth principles, money psychology, financial strategies, and actionable insights that help you think differently, make better decisions, and build a stronger financial future without hype, without false promises, and without get-rich-quick schemes. Because real wealth isn't measured by how much money you make today. It's measured by the financial freedom you create for tomorrow. If you're ready to stop chasing money and start building a life where your money works for you, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Wealth Forge and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly videos designed to help you build wealth, master money, and achieve lasting financial freedom. Join a growing community of ambitious learners who are committed to making smarter financial decisions, creating more opportunities, and forging a future of lasting prosperity. Because every great financial future starts with a single decision: the decision to learn. Wealth Forge. Build wealth. Own freedom. Until next time, keep building wealth, keep investing in your knowledge, and keep forging your freedom.